Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn divisibility rules. First divisibility rule is 2. What is divisibility rule by 2? All even numbers are divisible by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Let us check. 7, 3, 2. 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 3. 2, 1, 4. 7, 5, 2. 917. Here 732 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next 456 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next 917 is an odd number, so 917 is not divisible by 2. Next 113. 113 is an odd number. The last digit is odd number, so 113 is not divisible by 2. Next 214. 214 is also an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Next 752. If I take 8 also in the units place, 8 is an even number, so 752 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. These are the examples of rule by 2. Let us go for rule 5. All even numbers are divisible by 2. What is rule by 5? If the last digit is either 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Examples 713, 2450. Here we are going to check which are divisible by 5. What is the last digit? 3. If we have only 0 or 5 in one's place, then it is divisible by 5. Here the last digit is 3, so it is not divisible by 5. Go for the other one. Next, the last digit is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Next, 3125, as last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Next here 113, so 5 is not there, either 5 or 0 is not there, so it is not divisible by 5. If I take 7357, what is the last digit? 7. What is the divisibility rule by 5? The last digit should be either 0 or 5. But here 7 is there, so it is not divisible by 5. Next, rule by 10. Here, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Next, if the last digit is either 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. What is rule by 10? The last number should be 0. 7135. 5 is not there, so it is not divisible by 10. If I take 300, what is the last digit? 0. So it is divisible by 10. If I take 91257, what is the last digit? 7. So it is not divisible by 10. Next, 4000. What is the last digit? 0. So it is divisible by 10. Next, we are going to learn now 369. Now, rule by 3. What is the rule divisibility by 2? All even numbers are divisible by 2. Rule 5. If the last digit is either 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. What is rule by 10? The last digit should be 0. Only 0. We need next. Rule by 3. What is rule by 3? If I take any number, either 3 digit, 4 digit, whatever you take, the sum of all digits should be divisible by or multiple by 3. Suppose if the sum of 732, that is 7 plus 3 plus 2. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Again, if you have two digit number, again you add it. 1 plus 2. The answer is 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. So, 732 is divisible by 3. If I take another example, 3125. What is the rule? Just we need to add the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Again here 2 digits. So simply I am adding 1 plus 1. The value is 2. Here 2 is not a multiple of 3. So 3, 1, 2, 5 is not divisible by 3. Here divisibility rule by 3 and 9 both are same. Same way we need to do.